How to hide menu bar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Scroll down to the General section at the end and tap on Guided Access. Over here, turn on the Guided Access switch at the top. Guided Access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. Now, go back and open up Safari. Then, go to apple.com. Here, triple-click the side button to start Guided Access. From the options, select Guided Access. Go to the top right corner and tap on Start. Set a passcode to continue. After that, verify your new passcode again. As you can see, you have successfully started Guided Access. Triple-click the side button to exit. Following these steps, you can easily hide menu bar on iPhone.